Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and today's video I'm going to be talking about some Korean skincare products, some hyped up Korean skincare products, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you. Now, all of these products were sent to me by Limese Connect, and this video is in collaboration with Limese. So this is what the box looks like. This is what all of the products came in. It was packaged so well, neatly placed, and I really like that. Now, Limese Connect is a K-beauty platform, and they are the official partners of the brands that you can see on their website. They are not a reseller, so that means that you can trust them and purchase these products, and you know you're getting genuine, authentic products. Okay, so I'm super excited to get started with this video because I have some really amazing products to share with you guys, and oh boy, these are really sought after, and a lot of you guys even asked me to try this out. So let's get started. The first one we're going to be talking about is the CosRx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Now this one is a pH balanced cleanser which is mildly acidic, similar to the pH of your skin, which is also mildly acidic. So this one you get 150 ml of product, and which is really good quantity for the price, and this is what the packaging looks like. It instantly does draw the attention. Very nice. Now the consistency of this cleanser, the way it looks, it's clear, but it goes on your skin really nice and smooth and creamy, and it does contain betaine salicylate and tea tree oil in it. Betaine salicylate is a milder form of salicylic acid, so this cleanser doesn't strip your skin of any moisture, while it actually does what a BHA is supposed to do for your skin. So it exfoliates mildly, improves your skin texture and overall appearance of your skin, and it's not too drying. So I use this twice a day during my morning cleanser as well as in the nighttime before my nighttime skincare routine, and I would recommend this for all skin types. It's a really gentle cleanser, so it doesn't dry your skin out, and if you have oily acne prone skin, I think you would really appreciate this one. So the tea tree oil present in this is actually towards the end of the ingredient list, so I don't think it's used in higher percentage. So if you are worried about that, I don't think it should be a problem. And it also does contain surfactants, some emollients and humectants in this. A really nice product. If you were looking for a really good cleanser, a pH balanced cleanser, definitely do check this one out. It's so nice and mild on the skin, and it's raved after by a lot of people for definitely a very good reason. Now the next product I'm going to be talking about is from CosRx again. This one is a raved after product, and so many people love it, and I'm going to be telling you guys in just a bit why. So this one is the CosRx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This, starting off, you get 100 ml of product. That is a great quantity. This contains BHA, so it decongests pores, and it's an easier way to tackle acne and blackheads, and also it exfoliates your skin to make it look a lot smoother. So this contains betaine salicylate, which is present in most Korean skincare, and it's a more gentle and mild form of salicylic acid. So okay, I am someone who has sensitive skin, and I can use this without worrying if it's going to like strip my skin off, make it extremely dry. It feels like an essence on the skin. It feels like a hydrating toner, and it's not extremely sticky as well, and it doesn't dry your skin out as well. So I really like that. And this is the only BHA that I've used so far that has a visible reduction in terms of blackheads. It's not like it's gone, it's not like it's disappeared completely, but I'm someone, like, I look at my face on a daily basis and I'm like all up close and zooming in on that part where I have blackheads, and it has reduced a lot, which is great because I've not seen that happen with any other BHAs that I've used so far, and I feel like this one is the most effective one. So I have been using it for a couple of days now, and I will continue using this, and I will continue incorporating it in my skincare routine and update you guys about the blackhead situation. But so far I am super impressed with this product, and I'm really loving this. So I have been using this about once a week so far. I wanted to see how it's working on my skin, how my skin is basically reacting to this. I do that with most of my skincare products. I don't go ham and overuse it. So if in case my skin is reacting to it badly, I would know what product is doing that. And also when I'm using a new skincare products, I make sure to sort of keep the other products similar, and I don't try to use a lot of new skincare products on my face because I won't know what is doing what for my skin. So now that I've used this and I know how my skin reacts to this, I would probably use it twice a week now. And oh my god, I love this product. Why didn't I try this sooner? It has worked wonders. I really like it. And also the zit that I had on my face, it has reduced a little bit, like visibly. And before I just move on to the next skincare product, I also want to mention that this has another star ingredient, which is niacinamide. Oh my god, need I say more? What an amazing, amazing ingredient to be present in this. I really like that. I like niacinamides mostly, and I feel like it is a really nice product to work in conjunction with a BHA, and especially for people with oily, acne prone skin. I think you would really like it. A really, really nice product for all skin types. Definitely. So the next product we're going to be talking about is from Klairs. This one is their Rich Moist Soothing Serum. I really like this serum, okay? I find it to be very, very lightweight on my skin, and at a particular day or a given time, if my skin is a little bit aggravated and irritated, I feel like this one can calm it down. I feel like it doesn't have any ingredient that would trigger it all the more. And it also contains phyto-oligo, which is a patented ingredient, and it's been formulated to nourish and moisturize your skin. And I feel like it's exactly what it does. It is a moisturizing serum. So if you have dry skin and you wanted to use a serum that can hydrate your skin, definitely look into this one. It also does contain Centella asiatica and licorice root extract. Amazing ingredients. So when I'm using this serum, I apply it on my face and just pat it gently for it to absorb into my skin, and then move on to the next product, which is from CosRx again. This one is their Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. So this contains 92% snail mucin filtrate, and this particular ingredient is supposed to be an antioxidant ingredient. It is a humectant. It moisturizes your skin, and it actually locks in the moisture and makes your skin feel a lot more hydrated and plump looking. And also this product is said to soothe irritated skin. So I really like this, okay? I just wish that it came in a different packaging because it would have been a lot more easier to use. But nonetheless, the product itself is amazing. It has this kind of a texture. It is a little bit gooey. When you first apply it, you'd be like, okay, what is this? But once you apply it on your skin, you can see that your skin looks a lot more glowy looking, hydrated, smooth, supple, so soft and nice. Overall, really, really nice product. So if I'm using this during the daytime, I do use it with a slightly lighter amount, lighter hand, because I feel like it does take a little bit of a time to absorb into your skin. So I don't want to lather it on too much. But during the night time, I actually lather this one on because anyways I'm going to bed and I can be like generous with this, and I do end up looking like a glazed donut, but I don't care because the next day my skin actually looks so nice, like it's been hydrated really well and just glowy and plump looking. So what a good product. So if you have like very dry skin and you feel like no amount of product you're using is working for you, your skin is just feeling a little bit too dry, patchy dryness, just dull and dehydrated, maybe you should try this one out. It's amazing. I have enjoyed using this. And also, quick heads up, CosRx is a 100% cruelty-free brand, and this product is 100% cruelty-free as well. No snails were harmed during this process, and that's what makes this product stand out as well, that it is cruelty-free. If you were wondering, I just wanted to let you guys know. And also, I haven't mentioned this, all of these products are fragrance free. So if you have sensitive skin, you just don't like fragrance in your skincare, don't have to worry about that. None of these products have fragrance in it, and loving this. I know what I've been missing out on so far, and oh boy, it's very rare that I try out so many skincare products and I've fallen in love with so many skincare products at a time. Sometimes when I'm testing out new skincare products, there will be some hits and misses, but in this, I feel like all the 4 products that I tried out were definite hits, and it would suit so many different skin types and people who genuinely want to try out good skincare products. And let me know, what are the products that you have tried out? What are the Korean skincare products you want me to try out, test out in the future as well? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what has worked wonders for your skin. Leave all of that in the comment section down below, and I'll also leave all the links to these products in the description box below. You can check them out, and I will leave a coupon code right here on the screen for you to shop with additional discount. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.